Beverly's first time going to a car meet. Well, actually, the biggest car meet here in California, the Huntington Beach Cruise. Let's get her a little warmed up. We are running a little bit late here. We're supposed to be there in an hour. It takes like an hour and a half to get up there, but we're gonna cruise it all the way, and we're gonna show off Beverly with all of the nicest cars that are out there. We are headed to the Huntington Beach Cruise. This is the second cruise that I've been here. First one I went with Miley. I did not record it, unfortunately, but it was such a blast. So many awesome cars. Celebrities were there like Kevin Hart and this 1967 GT500, as you guys are seeing right here. It was just so much fun. We are heading back out there to show off Beverly, which is my new 1968 Ford Mustang, and we are going to get ideas for the build, and we're going to check out some awesome rides. Kevin Hart up in the building. Beautiful 67 GT500 he'd be rolling in. Out of all cars he would be driving GT500. What a great looking car. Here at the Huntington Beach Cruise. A lot of cool cars. We're going to check out all of the showcase here. We're also going to meet some of the Fast and Furious cars. Come on, focus. There we go. So let's go ahead and check out to see what they have out here. It's a pretty sick show. Second time out here. Again, it's a hot one. Very, very hot one. But we got some VIP parking. This is a Mustang I've always saw on Instagram, never really saw in real life, but damn, she is looking really, really good. Got the Toyota Archer Plate R, it's got the wide body kit here. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Boss 427. This is what I really wanted to do with Beverly, but we went Coyote instead. Gorgeous, gorgeous car here. Just look at this thing. Gorgeous car. Damn, she's beautiful. And again, we got an LS swap 65 maybe convertible. So many of you guys would have been pissed off if I would have done this, but hey, you get to keep the shock tire braces. You don't really have to modify anything because the motor is so small. You really just fit it right in. Beautiful cars like this out here in the Huntington Beach Cruise. We're just getting like halfway through it, and it is always just amazing to see all these cars. You get cars like this rolling down, and it's just so unique. Like, this makes me want to get classic cars way more than modern day cars. It just makes things so much better. We're just in the middle of pretty much the high quality cars. This is where they usually park, and geez, it is such a beautiful experience to be here. Highly recommend, if you guys are in California visiting, living, whatever, come out to the Huntington Beach Cruise. You get cars like these. These are gorgeous, gorgeous car. Damn. Very cool experience to see all these cars. But it's making me fall in love more with these classic cars. Nothing beats these classic retro cars. That's where it's all at. Making me really want to get a Chevelle. Chevelle is where it's at. These things are gorgeous. Golly, look at that. Ooh, Super Snake wide body right here. You don't see these. Same wheels as Miley. Let's go. These are the wheels I stole off of a 2015 Super Snake. Oh wow, pretty sick seeing one of these in person. But yeah, these are the same wheels as you guys may have seen on Miley. I stole these off of a Super Snake. I didn't steal them. They're not supposed to be sold. These wheels are never supposed to be taken off a Super Snake, but I was lucky enough to get them, so nice to see something like this. This is it right here. Beautiful Mach 1. These are the wheels I really wanted to get for Beverly right here. The Magnum 500s. Gorgeous, gorgeous setup. Oh boy. A lot of sick cars out here. It is so hot, but it is nothing but great shows out here. I was so close to getting a Cobra. It was either a Fastback or a Cobra. I didn't really want to get two fast cars since we already have the GT500, but this is clean. Really clean Cobra right here. I was also about to get a Cobra too. It's either the Fastback or the Cobra. This would be so sick to have on channel. Gold plated headers, that's something else. So bad right here. I cannot wait. It's gonna be so sick. This is a supercharger I've always wanted, a blower that I always wanted on this. Out the hood would be so sick. Sheesh, look at that monster. Oh boy. This is also something I really need right here. Golly, no more new school cars for me. It's all about old school. Beautiful Mustang too. Don't vlog and walk. Hundreds of awesome cool cars here. We're actually going to go to the Fast and Furious meet down, but the Huntington beach is always very, very nice. We'll cruise down the beach again. We got the nice exclusive access here to the parking. But successful meet. Now we're going to move on forward and see what is on next. Posted up next to the Fast and Furious cars. We have Beverly out here with the Fast and Furious cars. Super cool dude, Noel. Let me park next to them just for the time being, just to get a quick little shoot. I'm gonna do a little walk around here of everything of Beverly. Getting some good attention here. Next to the Fast original cars that they've been using in the movies. How cool is this, boys? This is just so sick. All autographed and everything. Awesome, awesome rides. Original colors here as well. And then we got the Kenne Supercharged Bumblebee here. Nothing but the best here. Kenne Supercharged. Look at that chrome supercharger. Looks so beautiful. Let's get the back shots here. Look at, he even has the graphics right there. So dope. Tourette's 08. Nice. Even has the Dom right there too. Beautiful, beautiful cars. We got the Celica and the Supra. Let's get some interior looks at these two. All autograph original. Look at that carbon fiber too. What everybody's interested in right here. Super sick interior. All original, just as like in the movies. Got the sound system in the back too. I need a sound system like this. This is very, very nice. Soup. Ending the day off with some In-N-Out. First big car meet with Beverly was a success. Lots of cool cars out there. Cool beach cruise. Actually hit the ocean right afterwards, but awesome car show. Beverly did great. Can't wait to come back with the Coyote on it. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya. I like you.